it on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, various makes, various models, all types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2018 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. This is our initial assessment of the vehicle, where we check to see, look for signs of whether it's freshwater, salt water. We've checked the fluids on this vehicle. There's no water in the engine. I don't see any rust or corrosion, no water line under here. Looks pretty clean. We're getting some power to the vehicle. The battery's still good, so these are all good signs so far. Close this door. Zoom out. So far so good. No condensation, no water in the lights. Body looks very clean. Calipers are clean, there's no rust. No spotting on the rims. No water in the taillights. So far, all good signs. This looks like a good candidate for a builder. Let's take a look inside. This is another good sign. Door and the window open. Those are power. Don't see any signs of water in the pockets here. Good signs. Interior is nice and clean. We got power to the dash. All good signs. Seat tracks, I do see a little dust here. So water is very low. I don't see any rust, so it's fresh water. So we're probably gonna have to pull the interior on this, clean all the contacts, make sure everything's got a good connection, clean the modules, make sure the carpet and everything is dry. See if there's any codes, reset any codes, and then we'll road test it. So, you know, we'll probably sell this one repaired when it's done. We offer financing on our repaired vehicles. We'll update you as soon as one is ready. Thanks for watching.